Get ready to glow like never before with Lancome's new Tient Idole Skin Transforming Bronzing Powder. It's a game changer. It's a game changer for our makeup routine, and I'm going to explain to you in this video all the benefits, give you my product review, and a how-to techniques on how to apply Lancome's new Tient Idole Skin Transforming Bronzing Powder. And stay tuned till the end of the video because just like I promised last week, I've got all the juicy details of my latest contest giveaway, and it's a good one. And most of us really struggle with bronzers because they streak and they cake in all the wrong places. The Lancome bronzing powder does not have the orangey effect, and it's got a skin smoothing finish. I was just amazed at the way it smoothed everything out and all my fine lines. OMG. I chose a medium, which was a shade darker than my face, is that my skin was tanner than my face. I use sunscreen or wear a hat or out in the shade because I don't want wrinkles. So I wanted a bronzer to match my skin tone. And now we're going to talk about the benefits. And the first one is obviously such a natural look, skin transforming, that it smooths out, makes it radiant without looking orange or artificial or streaky. And another benefit is it is infused with vitamin E that naturally nourishes the skin and promotes a healthy complexion. Obvious benefit, it creates a skin smoothing, natural finish. And another awesome benefit, it lasts all day without streaking or wearing off. And some other benefits, it has a blendable formula, a very lightweight formula, and it's suitable for all skin types and is non-comedogenic. And stay tuned because in this next clip, I'm going to share specific step-by-step how-to tutorial instructions for how to apply your bronzer. Here is the step-by-step tutorial on how to apply bronzer. Now, the first step, we're using the new Lancome Tient Idole Skin Transforming Bronzer to get a lot more product than you need if you're not careful. So I basically just pounce instead of swirl, and this is buildable coverage, so you can start out with minimal product, and if you see after the first application that you need more, then that is when you add more. But we are going to start just above, okay, come out just to do the contour and sweep it under the chin. So you see it's going like an E over here. Tap, tap, tap. But I need probably more. So I'm just going to go and do slightly another application with the E method. You're going to take your regular powder blending brush and you're going to blend in circular motions. Now this is a skin transforming bronzer, so you are definitely going to see that it is going to smooth out your skin, okay? And as you can see, you can tell I definitely have a bronze glow going on. Never mind the dark circles, ladies, that's another video. But I definitely have some color. Now, I've got 3 quick tips to help it look more natural in your makeup application. Start with a little, see how you like the coverage, and add more because it is definitely a buildable formula. And the most important tip that I can give you is to match your skin's undertones. You do not need a heavy, deep shade if you are fair or light complected. Match 1 or 2 shades within your natural skin tone for the best, most natural, flawless finish. And now, info on the product giveaway. I promised last week I would give you all the juicy details, and here you go. First of all, this is quite different from my last giveaway because I am giving away more, but I am also asking more of you. But look at what you could win if you follow my 3 easy steps to entry. We are going to give away, yes, the terry cloth beach bag that I loved so much out of the Lancome 2024 summer gift with purchase, I'm giving it away absolutely free, just for an entry, as well as our terry cloth cosmetic beach bag. I am giving away my favorite cleanser, Lancome Creme Mousse Confort. It is amazing. I personally use it. It's my personal favorite. You will love it. This is Tonique Comfort. It is a toner for dry or sensitive skin, but any of these could be suitable for all skin types. Also, this is a Bifacil eye makeup remover. It has a little hole so easily to stick a Q-tip down in the top for the easiest application ever. And as well as our skincare favorites here, I'm also giving away the travel size lipstick that came in the summer 24 gift with purchase, and the Idole mascara. Practically giving away the whole gift with purchase that I got summer 2024. Now, the 3 steps for entry are very simple. Number 1, go to my YouTube channel, and I want you to subscribe. Number 2, the Lancome official contest video, I need you to comment entered, where I know that you have done step 3, which is going to the website. There's an official entry form on the Lancome giveaway page. I will leave a link in the description below. The normal contest video. This is just giving you guys a sneak peek. It is not the official promo video. You will know because it will say Lancome giveaway video. So that's it. 3 easy steps, and you have a chance to win all these Lancome goodies. I'm basically gifting the whole Lancome summer gift with purchase that I got. You guys, as always, much love. Till next time. See ya.